What is up guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to be talking about what influencer marketing actually is and how you can use it in 2019. Now, with influencer marketing, you have to understand that you don't directly advertise to your specific audience. You pinpoint key leaders in your niche and drive your message through them. The reason this works is because these key leaders have earned the trust of your target audience. Influencer marketing is becoming bigger and bigger thanks to social media and all its influencers with large followings. When influencer marketing is done well, most of the audience and buyers don't even realise that they're being advertised to. Not that they care anyway, because it didn't ruin their Instagram scrolling experience. Now, what do I mean by this? When you scroll through Instagram, you only want to see content from people that you follow. When you see an ad, it's often irrelevant content that you skip past. However, that fashion blogger that you follow who posts all of her daily outfits actually advertised the dress to you through an influencer marketing campaign without you even knowing it. If anything, that influencer's audience is happier because they got more content from their favourite fashion blogger. Now that's how powerful influencer marketing can be. At the moment, for every $1 spent on influencer marketing campaigns, companies are earning $7.65 on average. Some companies even earning more than $20 for every dollar they spend. However, this isn't going to last long due to the fact that influencer marketing is growing in popularity with brands and companies, so they're going to be making more marketing campaigns than there are influencers available. So the prices will go up and the revenue margins will decrease. For an influencer campaign to work, you need to let the influencer be themselves and advertise the product as they see best. This helps the message come across as authentic to their audience. So, how do you leverage influencer marketing to grow your business? First of all, the best platforms for influencer marketing, in my opinion, are in the following order: YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also use Snapchat, but I don't think it's doing as well. The key factor to how well your influencer marketing campaign will do is how relevant the audience actually is. It's not about the size of the audience, but how relevant the fans are and how much they care about the creator's content. Now, a successful influencer marketing campaign takes time. After the first few posts, you should see results in revenue increase and brand awareness. However, it's after a good few months that your campaign really starts to show the big results. When it comes to a few influencers, mostly micro-influencers, they'll often be willing to do it for free in exchange for your product or service. However, it's not always the case. When paying them, always try and negotiate, but don't be too cheeky with your prices. You want to build a long-lasting relationship with them that will benefit you in the future. Offering too little might offend them. Try and get in contact with the influencer directly. Avoid going through an agency because they'll often mark up the price so they can make more profit. To do so, I highly suggest just sending them a private message on Instagram or Facebook. If not, reaching out to one of their emails they have on their Instagram business profile or on another platform. So hopefully now you understand what influencer marketing is. If you do have any more questions about it, let me know in the comments section below. I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video actually helped you. Again guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out. It's just another Hollywood weekend.